So, Amanda, can you share with us what ethics is?
Yes. So a lot of people, when they hear the term ethics, will think of it like a few different things. One might, they might think about good intentions. They might think about how can I translate my motivations or my intentions into good action? How can I help other
Mm,
people?
mm,
So they might think about ethics in that space.
mm,
They might think about things that they've read in the news or seen on social media of examples gone wrong, where people have gotten harmed when good was supposed to happen.
mm.
Context of do no harm would come up there. And then many of my colleagues here at NUS will be thinking about it from a philosophical lens. So what does it mean to live a good life or a principled life or to have values? What are my moral obligations? So some of these like
Mhm.
big theoretical questions. So ethics kind of spans the gamut. But
Yes.
if I want to zoom in and then think about what it means for students in their IEX projects, it's about how to make sure they are on the same level
Yeah.
as their community partners, as community organizations, as members of their team and their supervisor
Mm.
to ensure they're all working together in a
Yes.
way that they all feel good about it.
Yes.
So, and that is insanely hard to
It
do.
is. It's complicated and sometimes unpredictable, right?
Exactly.
It's interesting how people approach ethics from different perspectives. You mentioned ethics as a philosophical principle. Of course, there is a sense in which ethics very basically can be described as just an understanding of right and wrong,
Mhm.
just and unjust, harmful and non-harmful. So in terms of a philosophical principle, it's certainly there, and there's a very robust discussion about that in philosophy. But as you mentioned there, I think when it comes to engaging with society, there's a transition from ethics as a philosophical set of principles and ethics as a set of practices, a set of rules, a set of guidelines, and even as like a set of boxes to tick, right? So I think it's interesting to talk about that transition from value, from principle to institutional obligation. So I was hoping you can say a little bit more about your time as someone who worked on IRB or